Baby, why are you all wet?
I want to go home.
You are? Where are the kids?
They're in school.
It's Saturday. School's not in on Saturday.
My school is.
Oh my God! No!
Let's put them at the table, Andrew. We'll dry them off. We'll change their clothes. They'll be our living dolls. Tomorrow we could take them on a picnic.
If you ever love me, Dolores, please stop talking.
I love you. I love you so much. I love you.